like a lady. Okay, I'm hitting the road, Midwest Picker here. I know you guys think I'm a whiner, but it is true. It is slim pickings in West Michigan. So I'm going to a church rummage sale. This is the first one I've been to in a year. I looked at estatesales.net, checked out the photos. Man, nothing but crap. I'm telling you, I'm going to put some pictures up. You know, church organs, Avon glass, old lady clothes, you know, garden rakes and shovels. I mean, nothing. The vintagey stuff, the good stuff. I'm so glad there's photos so I don't waste my time going to these sales, because man, are they bad. So we're going to hit this church rummage sale. I'm going to get some video and I'll show you any treasures I find. So let's go.
Stop. There are some, I think there's
All right, I just left the church sale. You saw in the video the Zondervan Discovering Jesus DVD sealed in the box. Very, very heavy, by the way. It's going to cost a lot of money to ship it. Not a lot of value there. They take donations. Nothing is priced. So I would feel bad, donating $1. So I would have to donate like $5 to $10, so it just wasn't worth it. So I didn't get that. I did get the Sony boombox, though. Sony is a great brand if you don't know. CD players, DVD players, anything Sony branded. This one is dusty but rusty but trusty. I do have to clean it up. It says it works, so when I get home I'll find out. But I'm going to clean it up, make it look nice. I'll make a video of me playing a CD and me playing a cassette. Helps a lot with the sales. Put some pictures up of some comps and some asking prices. I donated $10. They were thrilled with that, so it is what it is. Goes for a good cause. They're sending the little kitties to a mission trip to Brazil, so money is for a good cause. That brings up a great question. Is it ever okay to sell an item? Doesn't matter the platform, Poshmark, Etsy, Mercari, eBay, whatever. Is it ever okay to sell an item at break even or at a loss? And that's a great question because it comes up a lot. How can people sell stuff so cheap on eBay? Like a Nerf gun for $3 and stuff like that. So I do sell some stuff at break even or at a loss. And there's three good reasons why you might do that. Number one, repeat customers. So I have an eBay store. I'll put a picture up here. The last time I checked, I had over 100 followers of my eBay store. So what that means is every time I list something, they get a notification from eBay that, hey, your favorite seller or somebody you follow just listed something. So I might sell something at a loss or even break even, but that person might become a repeat customer. So I can make money in the future. Not bad. The other thing is getting rid of dead inventory. I've got stuff on my eBay store for 3 years, 4 years. It's dead weight. It's dead to me. I just want to get rid of it. So I'm going to mark it off 50% off, change, if it's a light item, free shipping, cut the price down, just blow it out and get rid of it. Saves me a trip to the thrift store. I might build a new customer. Who knows? The third reason that you might want to do that is you're building experience. So you bought something, it's not worth what you thought, it's a dud, you paid $3 for it, you're going to sell it for $5, whatever. You're going to break even, you're going to lose money. You're gaining experience. So in the future, when you go out sourcing and you see this item again, you'll know not to buy it. And gaining experience and wisdom is always a good thing. So those are 3 reasons why it might not be a terrible idea to sell something at break even or at a loss. So if you see other people doing it, probably because they're blowing out their inventory and just getting rid of stuff they don't need or don't want or don't have room for. So don't get all upset if you sell something at a break even or at a loss. Those are 3 reasons. There's more why that's not such a bad idea. So now I left the rummage sale. I'm going to the Salvation Army store. I've never been here before. This is in a high-end, this is called Cascade, Michigan. It's kind of upper class area, high-end items. I might even look at clothes, who knows. But we're going to check this out. I'll take video if I can. I'll let you know what I found. Well, that Salvation Army wasn't bad. It was carpeted. That's the only Salvation Army I've ever been in that's carpeted. I bought that little Native American boy trinket dish thingy. It's from the 1950s. They only charged me $3 for it. I'll put some pictures up. It's pretty rare, so you're not going to find a lot of comps on stuff like that. I don't know. I'll list it for $39.95. Let it sit for a month or two, and then mark it down. I'm going to go to this Goodwill. There's a Salvation Army down the road next to Planet Purple. I'm going to go there, check it out, and then I got to get lunch. It's 12:23. I haven't eaten anything all day. I'm dying. So that's about it, unless I find more treasures. But this store, I don't know if I'm going to record video, unless I find something. I'm turning over a new leaf. If I find something worth buying, I'll make a video. If not, I'm not going to waste your time making a bunch of video of nothing. So I don't expect much out of this one. The Salvation Army down the road is huge. So hopefully we'll find something there. So let's go. All right, this wasn't too bad. I got this Lennox ornament. I didn't make any video in there because it was a bust, but it was half price sale. I got it for $4. I'll put a picture up on the screen there for you. There's one asking $34, I think. I checked it. There's no damage. It's got the original box. So if you don't know, Lennox Christmas ornaments are good money. Hallmark, of course, you know, certain ones based on movies and whatnot. So that's it. The estate sales are so bad, I didn't even go. The rummage sale is eh. These thrift stores are eh. So at least I can get lunch while I'm out here. I really need to move to Arizona or Florida or something. We have in Michigan maybe a 5-month window for garage sales, and that's it, because the weather's so bad. And it's what is it, March 29 today? There's not one garage sale anywhere in West Michigan, just because it's gloomy. I mean, it's 65 degrees, but you can't predict it, so people don't even bother till maybe April. So that's the video, guys. Got one dirty diaper. That was pretty cool. Got a few items, not bad. But when garage sale season hits, the pickings will be better, I hope. So that's the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share this with anybody that's into picking or wants to get into reselling online. Make a little extra cabbage, pay those bills. Share this video. Maybe they'll learn something. Who knows? But until next time, see ya.